Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by targeting the largest drains, check heating, cooling, and major appliances to know where to save most. Once you have a 7-day meter reading and recent bills, you establish a baseline to measure progress. Make sure to gather basic tools, LED bulbs, smart plugs, and thermostat access, so you can act immediately. Doing these steps first prevents wasted effort on minor gains because you focus time and money where the biggest percentage reductions lie. Now you implement targeted upgrades to cut consumption. Start by swapping in LEDs, about 75% less energy, and replace high-draw devices with efficient models when practical. Once done, install smart plugs and schedule laundry, chargers, and entertainment systems to run during off-peak or only when needed to reduce standby waste. Make sure to program your thermostat with 2-3-degree setbacks during sleep and away times. This yields steady savings while keeping comfort when you return. To finish, you verify results by comparing meter readings and bills after about 30 days to confirm the expected reductions. If the numbers don't move, inspect insulation, door and window seals, and appliance settings because hidden losses often offset improvements. Once done, check for phantom loads, unplug items, or use power strips, and make sure HVAC filters are clean. This simple maintenance often fixes performance issues. If problems persist, consider a professional audit to find less obvious energy sinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.